Hello friends, welcome to the session. Myself Prashanth. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru in Department of Basic Science. Today I am going to cover the topic that is Introduction to CNC Machine. This topic comes under the subject Introduction to the Mechanical Engineering. Let's start the session. Unleashing the precision, the marvels of CNC machining. Introduction to the CNC machine. Welcome to the world of CNC machine. Get ready to explore the remarkable precision and endless possibilities led by this cutting-edge technology. In this presentation, we will delve into the fascinating world of computer numerical control, that is CNC machines, and discover how they revolutionized modern manufacturing processes. Let us know what is CNC machining. CNC machining is a manufacturing process that utilizes computerized controls to operate and manipulate machines tools. It enables the certain of highly precise and intricate parts with minimal human intervention. By following programmed instructions, CNC machines can perform various operations such as cutting, drilling, milling, and shaping materials like metal, wood, or plastic. Next, versatility of materials. CNC machines are versatility of materials. They can work with various materials such as wood, metal, plastic, and even stone also. Artists have the freedom to explore die-iron medium and experiment with unique combinations. CNC machines open with a world of possibilities for artistic expression. What are the advantages of CNC machining? The advantages of CNC machining are numerous. It's our unparalleled precision, repeatability, and efficiency, resulting in high quality products. CNC machines can handle complex designs and produce intricate details with ease. Moreover, they reduce human error, increase productivity, and allow for automation. With CNC machining, manufacturers can achieve faster turnaround times, low costs, and superior product quality. Applications of CNC machining. CNC machining finds application in wide range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, electronics, and more. It is used to manufacture components such as engine parts, surgical instruments, circuit boards, prototypes, and customized products. The versatility of CNC machine enables the creation of complex geometrics and intricate patterns, making it an indispensable tool for modern manufacturing. Let us know future in trends CNC machining. The future of CNC machining holds exciting possibilities. Advancements in technology such as integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning will further enhance the capabilities of CNC machines. We can expect faster processing speeds, improved materials compatibility, and enhanced automation as industries continue to push the boundaries of innovation. CNC machining will play a vital role in shaping the future of manufacturing. Inspiring collaborations. It is a very important point. CNC machines inspire collaborations between artists, designers, and technicians. The technology bridges the gap between different disciplines, encouraging teamwork and the exchange of ideas. By combining artist vision with technical expertise, truly remarkable creations can emerge. We need to know last part of this session, conclusion. In conclusion, CNC machines have revolutionized the art world by unleashing the creative potential of artists. With precision engineering, efficiency, and the ability to work with various materials, these machines have opened up new horizons for artistic expression. As we embrace the art of precision. Let us celebrate the fusion of technology and creativity and look forward to a future where CNC machines continue to shape the world of art. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.